Good morning, everyone. This is Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks, and I am your paleontology teacher, Jen. Today is Wordplay Wednesday, and we're going to learn some new words. So last two Wednesdays, we have learned about anterior, the front, posterior, the back, dorsal, top, and ventral, the bottom. So we're going to add two more words that we use to describe bones, and that is proximal and distal. These words refer to how close or how far away an element is to the main body or its attachment point. So proximal refers to nearer to the central body or attachment point, while distal means further away. So when I say that the distal end of the Apatosaurus ischium has been chewed on by an Allosaurus, you know this means the end further away from the articulation or attachment point, which is over here, where the gnaw points are. Now we're going to put it all together on our sauropod we've been using the last few weeks. So we've still got our anterior and our posterior and our dorsal and our ventral. Now we've added all of our proximal and distal. So as you can see, the head is distal, while the last cervical is proximal. The first caudal vertebrae is proximal, while the last caudal is distal. And then our humerus is proximal, while our foot is distal. So hopefully that makes sense. So that's the overall body. And of course, you can use these for each individual element, as I stated with the ischium. So here we've got some caudal vertebrae. You can see the sequence. This is the proximal end, this is the distal end. But with each individual element, this is the proximal end and this is the distal end. Now, if we were talking about an articulation point, so say this spot here, technically this would be the proximal end and that would be the distal end, and this would be the proximal end and this would be the distal end to this particular attachment point. Make sense? So now you can use all 6 of these terms to properly describe fossil elements, and you can sound just like a paleontologist. So tune in tomorrow to learn about Elmer Riggs and Brachiosaurus, and I will fossilize you later.